Hi everyone and welcome to this video where I'm going to be unboxing another box of Babylon 5 CCG cards. This is from the Deluxe edition and I'll just take the plastic off and we'll have a nice look at the box before we open the packs. So this is the box with the plastic off. It's the front. It says you get a chance to get an autograph by Claudia Christian, who's on the cover here. I don't know how many there were, but they were really scarce, so we probably won't get one in this box, but you never know. On the sides we get some card art and the barcodes, and in the back we get this nice landscape version of the front. So inside the box we get a nice little gift. We get a checklist for the set, and we also get a promo card which is Rogue Telepath, and it's all sealed. I love the Babylon 5 cards because most of the promos are sealed like this, mainly the box toppers I think, but sealed promo, nice. Then we get this, which I presume might cover any rule changes as well from the Premier set. It's even on more than one sheet. I won't open this up fully, but there's two sheets. You see there's like a list of updated rules and things, and a checklist. So I haven't got one of those, so I'll keep that for my collection of like rules and things. And then we get the packs. So in this box we get 24 booster packs, 8 cards per pack, $1.95 each, because there's less cards I guess. It says here actually, autograph cards inserted into one in every 552 packs. So I've just worked that out, that's 1 in every 23 boxes as an autograph. So 1 in 23 chance, we might get one, you never know. So I'll just show you that, I'll just show you this. This is what the packs will look like on a retail shelf, which are really nice. They're like sideways, but I do like seeing the boxes like this because it just reminds me of what they used to look like in the shops, and just walk into a shop and see this nowadays I would be so happy, but it doesn't happen anymore unfortunately. So let's get on with the packs. So this is what the front of one looks like. So this is the Deluxe edition. This is the Premier set, but they've re-released it, they've enhanced the images and changed some of the images, changed some of the game text. So like redesign the first set basically. The text on the back says the game's for 2 to 4 players, each player must have a starter deck. Booster contains a random assortment of 8 game cards, and copyright 98. I'm not sure about the layout of the box, like which number cards are the uncommons and stuff, so until I open it I won't know. I'm very familiar with the Premier set, so hopefully I'll recognise the cards. So pack number 1. So we get Planetary Defences, that's common. Alliance, Attacking Pawns, Higher Calling. They're all commons, there's 4 commons. Shunned, that's an uncommon. Commerce Raiding's uncommon. Then we get a rare card, which is Conflicting Desires. And then this one is a fixed card, so this was only originally available in starter decks in the Premier set. Some of the fixed cards they didn't reprint, like the main characters, which is a bit bizarre to me. But anyway, that's a fixed card, so until I open more packs I won't know if it's a constant pattern or not, so we'll see. So in this pack we get Marianne Kramer, Utility Fleet, Linda Stee, Lot of Face, they're commons. Triluminary, Crisis of South, they're uncommon. Secret Strike's rare, and then a fixed card, Deep Space Fleet is the human version. So it looks like there is a pattern, hopefully that will continue. So third pack. We get cut supply lines, Moral Quandary, Armistice, Sneak Attack. Uncommons, we get Mr. Adams, Meddling with Others. The rare card is Warlord at Shakuri. And then Narn Captain, I presume that's a fixed card. We get Accident, Lack of Subtlety, Changing Opinion, and Long-Term Investment. The uncommons, Raid Shipping and Niroon. Ooh, rare card, we get Morden, so he's a sort of a reoccurring character, so it's nice to get him. And then Human Captain, I presume that's a fixed card at the back. We get For My People, The Opposition Rises, Emergency Military Aid and Special Ops. Uncommons, we get Nafar, General Franklin. The rare card is Damage Control Team. And fixed card is Minbari Aid. So I presume they put a fixed card in at the back just because you may not have got them if you hadn't have bought starter decks originally. Commons, we get Dan Randall, Warren Keffer, Interstellar Corporation and Jadrog. The uncommons, we get Complete Support and Grievance, and the rare card is Left Vulnerable, and then the fixed card is You're Not Ready. Liquidating Assets, Chaos Reigns, Meditation, and What Do You Want? The uncommons are Lord Kiro and Established Base. The rare card is Witness Protection, and we get the fixed card of Shal Mayan. That's definitely a fixed card because I remember getting that in my Minbari starter deck, which I've unboxed on my channel. Commons are Overworked, Non-Aggression Pact, Exploitation, Growth and Chaos. Uncommons, Loss of Support and Personal Enemies. Rare card is Power Posturing, and fixed is Picket Fleet. We have Diplomatic Immunity, Trade Windfall, Internal Strife, News of Galactic Import, Uncommons, Proxima Free, Influential Lords. Rare card is Emperor Turhan, and fixed is a Centauri Agent. We have Military Cadre, Delan, Older but Wiser, Diplomatic Corps. The uncommons are Political Realignment and Subliminal Influence. The rare card is Babylon 5 Unrest, and Picket Fleet is the fixed card. Commons are Concentrated Effort, Secret Vol on Aid, Strafing Run, and Seduction. Uncommons are Imolan 5, Terrorist Bombings. Ooh, main character. Rare card is Marcus Cole. He's the main character later on in the series. That's cool to get. A fixed card is a Trade Pact. So this is pack number 12. It's halfway through the box. So we get Hunter Prey, Humanitarian Aid, Concealed Weapon, Psi Interrogation. The uncommon is Enrage and Knowledge of the Soul. Rare card is Forces Collide, and Rise to Power is the fixed card. We get Commons are Fleets on the Border, War by Popular Decree, For the Common Good, Universe Today feature. Uncommon Strike Fleet, Reserve Fleet. Rare card is Rangers Surveillance. And Rivalry is the fixed card. Get Combat Experience, Utility Fleet, Learning Experience, and Lord Valet. Uncommons, Successful Manipulation, and Judgment by Success. The rare card is Not Meant to Be, and fixed is Test Their Metal. Get Defame Ambassador, Sanctions, Contact with Vorlons, Unrecognised Data. The uncommons are Dunar and Minbari Protectorate. The rare card is Luis Santiago. This is the President of Earth, which you never really saw. He's just a name, really. And Jadok is the fixed card. We get Muddy the Waters, Imperialism, Temptations, Leading the Races. The uncommons are in Disenchantment and Mines. The rare card is Martyr, and Second Battle Fleet is the fixed card. We have Confusion and Chaos, Lockdown, Contact with Shadows, and Rally to the Cause. The uncommons we get are Garrison Fleet and Strength and Diversity. The rare card is Imperial Telepaths, and the fixed card is a Psi Bodyguard. We have a Deep Space Fleet, Nakaleen Feeder, Condemned Deportations, Latent Telepath. Uncommons are Extreme Sanction, Personal Protection. The rare card, wow, I've never seen this before. This is Vorlon Enhancement. It had a different image in the premiere set, because this is my favourite character. This is why I'm a bit shocked. I've never seen this card before. So yeah, that's amazing. I didn't realise they'd redone the image for the Deluxe edition. Fantastic. And the fixed card is a Centauri Captain. We get Higher Raiders, Strategic Reassignment, Avert Incident, Self-Doubt. The uncommons are Sponsor Rebels and Religious Caste. The rare card is a Disaffected Narn, and the fixed is Personal Involvement. We get commons of Armistice, Sneak Attack, Change of Plans, and Sortie. Uncommons we have Ranger Strike Team and Soul Hunter. The rare card is a Rogue Soul Hunter, and the fixed card is a Human Agent. We have a Utility Fleet, Laval, War College, Duroc. The uncommons are Compatible Goals and Mass Drivers. The rare card is Skeletons in the Closet, and the fixed is Second Battle Fleet. We have Intrigues Mature, Merchandising Babylon 5, Coordinated Fire, Short-Term Investment. The uncommons are Defense in Depth and Psi Attack. The rare card is Fleet of the Line, and the fixed is Repairing the Past. So pack 24, this is the last pack in the box. So commons, we get Centauri Telepath, Drazi Sunhawk, Sandra Hiroshi, and Extended Contacts. The uncommons are Isolationism and Shadow Strike. The rare card is Salvage Yard, and Picket Fleet is the fixed card. It's not a bad box. We've got one main character, a recurring character as well, and this is my favourite card, Wall on Enhancement, because it's got Patricia Tallman as Lita Alexander on it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I go through Scry magazines and stuff, and check out my other Babylon 5 openings on my channel, and I will see you all soon, guys. Bye.